Nantucket is located off the coast of Massachusetts. We're the furthest island off the coast.
It's in Massachusetts. It's an island 30 miles out to sea.
The locations that we fly to, every day we go to DC, Philadelphia, and LaGuardia. Saturday we have 7, so we also go to Chicago and Charlotte.
We come from all over, which is pretty interesting. We have people from the West Coast, people from the East Coast, people from South. So we kind of all mix together. We make a little Nantucket family here and work the airport. There's 9 of us total, 8 TDY, and then we have 1 agent who's here on the island.
I've lived in Nantucket since 1981. I have a wealth of information when they're asking, about places or things or the operation over there. A lot of them turn to me to resolve an issue or answer a question.
We're a tight-knit family here. We follow protocol, don't cut corners, so we're all safe, and we do it all as a team. We bond very well. It's great.
This is considered one of the wealthiest area codes in the United States, so from the private side to the commercial side, we get pretty wealthy customers.
On average, the hotels probably start at around $1,000 a night, and we'll go up from there.
We only have local stores and stuff. There's no chain stores, no chain foods.
So fog is definitely an issue here on the island. They call it the Gray Lady.
The Gray Lady.
It's called the Gray Lady.
The Gray Lady.
It comes in just about every day at about 4 o'clock.
And when the Gray Lady comes in, the fog comes in, planes may circle and circle or divert until the fog clears, and then they'll be able to land.
If it gets bad enough, then our planes will divert to Boston and then won't make it in. And then of course we have passengers that then have challenges with having to take the ferry to get off the island.
The beaches are beautiful. We also have 3 different historic lighthouses that are really cool to go see.
Special events that will bring people. We have the Nantucket Film Festival. I do know that they have a book festival. They have the Boston Pops that will come over and do a big fundraiser for the hospital here on the island.
It's a great place to come and visit, and you will enjoy coming and touring and seeing all the different areas that we do have.
As much hard work it is, we do have a lot of fun as a team.
We ride to work together, we eat meals together, so we build a pretty strong bond within one another. We trust each other at work and outside of work, no matter what it is. So we become very, very close.
I'm going to keep on doing this. I won't retire. I don't want to. As long as they have me, I'm going to keep on doing this.